Hi, hello everyone. This is RK. Welcome back to my channel Bytecode with RK. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. For notifications, click on bell icon. In today's session, we will see one of the most important concepts of the Java 8, that is StreamAPI. In the last session, we have discussed stream and creation of stream and intermediate operations of the stream. In today's session, we will see terminal operations of the stream. Terminal operators are those which appears at the end. As I said in the definition, these terminal operators will appear at the end, and the terminal operators doesn't return anything, and the terminal operator doesn't return an output of stream type. It doesn't return anything. It just returns void. Okay. Let me start with the terminal operator implementation. Terminal operations. The first one is forEach. Okay, forEach and forEachOrdered. Okay, so these two are same. There is a little bit difference in between forEach and forEachOrdered. Let's start. forEach. forEach, it iterates over a collection. It means it will works on the collection and performs certain action on each element. Okay, so actually this forEach, right, forEach will take consumer as an input argument. Okay, so as you know, consumer is the function interface which takes some value and returns nothing. So if you are new to consumer function interface, please go through my previous videos so that you will get some idea. I have done long and short videos about the consumer function interface. In forEach, the action to be performed is contained in a class that implements the consumer function interface, and it is passed as a argument to the forEach method. It operates on collection and performs action on each element. Okay, forEachOrdered also it operates on a collection and performs action on each element. Apart from that, it also do extra activity, like it will print the data in the order, whatever data it was encountered while accepting input in session order. Okay, let me write the forEach. It was same as forEachOrdered or the okay, collection and performs action on each element and maintains insertion order. Okay, and the syntax for the forEach is so as I told, these terminal operators doesn't return anything. Almost every terminal operator will be like a void only, so it doesn't return data in the form of stream. Okay, void forEach. Okay, and takes consumer as an input argument. Okay, so and forEach also it will also follow the same syntax. Okay, order. Okay, let me see some examples on this forEach. Okay, already we have covered the forEach in almost all the examples of the intermediate operations of the StreamAPI. Let me take the example of the below examples. Okay, this is for forEach. Okay, forEach with generic type, forEach with custom type. Okay, see, I am taking the existing example only. I am not taking a new example here. You see here, I have created a list object that is of type integer, and I have a list of values like 5, 1, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 3. So what I'm doing here is a list, applying stream to the list object, and then iterating each element of the stream, and then printing the results here, printing using forEach. Okay, and also with the custom object also. I am getting the data from the get data method of the data source, and I am applying streaming to it, printing the each object using for each. Okay, iterating each object and printing the each object. Okay, let me run this one. You see here, I have like in the list, right? I have taken the list of integers which contains list of values, 7 values, and I'm applying stream to the list, and then iterating each element of the stream, and then printing the values. Okay, here I am printing the values of the list one by one: 5, 1, 6, 7, 9, 10, and 3. And then for each with the custom type, getting the list of players from the get data method of data source class, and then applying streaming to that list of players, and then iterating each player data using for each. If you observe clearly, so you can see the list of players I am printing one by one. It iterates each player, and it will print each player details here. Okay, that is all about the for each. Let me write this entire thing into the single method. For each terminal operation. Okay, we create the operation, and I am taking everything into the single method. Okay, the second one is for each ordered. For each order, terminal operation. So here also I am taking the same, I am taking the copy of the same action in for each ordered. Instead of for each, I am applying for each ordered, and here also. Okay, let me run this one. You see, right, it was maintaining the instruction order. For each order maintains the instruction order of 5, 1, 6, 5, 1, 6, 7, 9, 10, 3, 7, 9, 10, 3. So it was maintaining the instruction order. If you see, Dhoni is the first. So that is all about for each and for each order. Follow on Instagram and X.